to AI, next level is quantum AI, algorithms how to write. I gave a call. Immediately they have registered nearly 60,000 people within 2 days. And also Chennai, IIT has started one online courses on AI. Around 208,000 people joined. Among 208,000, 104,000 are from Andhra Pradesh. That is 50% of students are from Andhra Pradesh. Even if you see now today, anywhere in the world, overseas students are from Andhra. That is where I am building, I am investing in a big way for knowledge economy, especially knowledge and technology. Both has to go together now.
There's a very interesting bill you have introduced in the legislative assembly on population management, and you are now incentivizing the third child in families. What is the thinking behind this?
Now we are. This is very interesting subject for all of us. Some of the countries are facing, as on today, aging problem. Earlier they are unable to attend. India is having an advantage for demographic dividend. It will be there up to 2047. India replacement level, fertility rate is 2. For replacement we need 2.1. Now my Andhra Pradesh as South India, we are having around 1.5. We are far below replacement level. Now I introduced a population management policy. First time a state government has introduced population management policy. One child we are giving our incentives. If anybody is having second child, straight away I will give 25,000 rupees cash on delivery, and also third child also will give. For third child, we are going to give monthly 1,000 rupees for up to 5 years for nutrition, for how to build that child. That is where we are doing. We are giving maternity leave for 1 year. Even we are giving for males also 2 months or 1 month leave for look after their child. So responsibility for maintaining the children, it is a parental responsibility, equal responsibility. Wife and husband has to look after equally. That is where we are promoting now.
How is the response been to this idea in Andhra Pradesh generally?
Now today lot of discussion. Exactly 25 years back, I promoted population planning. At that time I used to go and explain to all people, population is increasing, air is not increasing, water is not increasing, land is not increasing, there will be a problem.
So at that time you were asking them to control.
Control.
Now you are asking to expand.
Promote. Same politician, I am doing both roles. This is the very interesting, otherwise we will be outdated. So we have seen the danger. I was able to, at that time also, so many people told me, you cannot do it. First, female literacy. Then second, eradication poverty. Then it will happen. Now people are asking me, you are asking to have more children. We will give proper nutrition, education, better living standards, everything. But once all of us has to think only one thing. There is population, we can use technology. Otherwise, robots will be there, work will be done, but very, very difficult for survival. Now countries are facing the same problem. Now those who are having more money, they are not having any children. Only one or no children, they are very happy. Even poor people are having more children even today. My tribal population, they are having more children compared to plain areas. So this is a discussion all of us has to do. Even people are all here, different countries. Even rich people should have minimum children, then only all these things will happen. So I wanted to take it as a challenge. Everybody is saying it is not possible. Whenever there is income, automatically people are thinking, some people are arguing with me, you are asking to have more children who will look after. To have one industry is very, very easy rather than having child and nurture him. That is the attitude of the people, but we have to change it. Otherwise, it will be difficult. India, as on today, we are having a very low, if you see India, big families earlier, even 20 people or 10 people. Even father and mother or elders used to mentor their children, even at the age of 40, 50. That is our culture. And also big families, earlier we used to treat as big asset. That is a big wealth also. Even to give girls for marriage at the time, they used to select only big families. Today, families are becoming more and more micro families. That is the biggest challenge. All intellectuals are here. You have to promote this idea, or otherwise, some of the countries are already facing aging problem and also population problem. Ultimately, if India can succeed, I am assuring you, India is only the country to serve global community for future. Not even one or two countries, everywhere. That is going to happen.
No, I think this is the